How to save videos from CapCut to your gallery. If any day you have prepared any videos from CapCut and you would like to save that video in your gallery but do not know how to save it to your gallery, do not worry, as we have got the easiest solution to that. For that, first of all, you need to have CapCut on your mobile device. You can either download it from the Play Store or you can also transfer it from any other devices. So if you have very CapCut in your mobile device and you have installed your CapCut, first of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on CapCut for a while. After you tap on CapCut, the very CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. Now in the interface like this, you can choose any of the videos from your mobile device, or you can prepare any of the videos and you can edit those videos as the way you like in the very CapCut. So as per you have edited or you have gave the videos as you like in CapCut, now you have to do the next processes. That is, you have to go to the very top icon here. You have to tap on the very top icon, and after you tap on the very top icon, you can see the options of videos and GIF. Now you have to make sure whether you are going to put this video as per the video quality or you are going to keep this video in the form of a GIF. Since I'm going to keep it in the form of videos, I click in the videos. Now you can also go to the form of very resolution or the very quality, and you can change the resolution to the very lowest, or you can also change it to the very highest. You can also change it to the frame rate. You can also change the code rate here. So after you keep up the very thing that you want, you have to go to the option of done, and after that you have to go to the option of save to device. And after you tap on the option of save to device, you can see the screen of exporting. You have to wait until it's exported till 100%, and when it's 100%, this very video is saved on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.